Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i to the application. Firstly, we need to pair these earbuds with a phone, so open Settings and go to Bluetooth for connected devices. If you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after that we can open the charging case. If your earbuds have no more connection, it will enter to prank mode automatically. But also we can enter to prank mode manually. At the back side we have connectional button, and you need to press and hold this button until this LED light starts flashing like what I have right now. And you will also see it at the device list. Now just tap on it. Okay, we pair it, so we can hide the settings and open the application. Click Add Device, select this earbuds icon, and now click on your earbuds right here. Then got it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!